Hi guys, I am Neva. I'm going to teach you about addition. So first, we are going to do our first example. Our first example is 54 at 21 equals, we don't know the answer yet, so we're going to find it out. First we write 54. And then we write at the bottom of it 21. And then we do a big line. And then we do the addition sign. And then we add 4 and 1 equals 5. And we're going to add 5 and 2 equals 7. So our answer is 75. We are going to go on to the second example. So our second example is 17 at 15 equals, we don't know the answer yet, so we are going to find it out. We write 17 down, the same as the other one, then we write 15 down. Then we do a big line and then we do an addition. So we add 7 at 5. 7 at 5 equals 12, but we don't write 12 here because you can't write 3 answers here. And also you need to do this one too. So the end of the number is 2. So you write 2 here. And the first number is 1. So write 1 there. So 1 add 1 add 1 equals 3. So it is 32. So our answer is 32. Thanks guys for watching my video. Subscribe my channel.